Hello student, the question from coding and decoding asked in a CSAT UPSC 2016. The question said a multi-code return system as a SYSMET. So there are the total 6 letters in a system. System is written as SYSMET. Next letter is nearer, is written as AENRER. So how we write the fraction? So if you see here, there are the total 6 alphabet in a system, so we can make a group of 3 and interchange like that. Here it is also total 6 alphabets, so we are divided into 2 part, 3 and 3. So A come first, E at second, N at third, R come first, E second, R become last. So here it is total 8 alphabets, so we are making a group of 4 and 4, means 2 groups. So the first alphabet come, last alphabet come first, after A, then R and F. Similar way, here it is first come N, O, I and T. So CARF, CARF is here, CARF is here, NOIT, NOIT. So D is the correct answer for this question. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.